In this video, we will introduce you to the top 6 budget to best laundry detergent 2026 on Amazon. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 6 budget to best laundry detergent 2026 on Amazon. Number 6, ECOS free and clear liquid laundry detergent, 100 loads, plant-powered, hypoallergenic, dermatologist tested, 50 fluid ounces, pack of 2. Plant-powered cleaning formula effectively removes everyday dirt and stains using plant-based ingredients. Free and clear formula, no added dyes or fragrances, making it ideal for sensitive skin. Hypoallergenic, dermatologist tested and formulated for individuals with skin sensitivities. EPA Safer Choice certified, meets EPA Safer Choice standards for safer ingredients. 100 total loads, twin pack, includes 250 fluid ounces bottles, providing up to 100 loads of laundry. Compatible with HE and standard washers, works efficiently in both high efficiency and conventional washing machines, effective in all water temperatures, delivers reliable cleaning performance in cold, warm, and hot water. Ultra concentrated liquid formula uses less detergent per load while maintaining strong cleaning performance. Trusted everyday laundry care, suitable for clothing, towels, bedding, baby clothes, and other washable fabrics. Keep your laundry clean while caring for sensitive skin with ECOS free and clear liquid laundry detergent. This plant-powered formula is designed to deliver effective everyday cleaning without added dyes or fragrances, making it an excellent choice for households looking for a gentle yet powerful laundry solution. Dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic, the detergent is formulated to help reduce skin irritation while effectively removing dirt, everyday stains, and odors. It is also EPA Safer Choice certified, reflecting the use of ingredients that meet the EPA standards for safer cleaning products. Number 5, Persil Original Ultra Packs Laundry Detergent, 100 count, deep clean and care, single dose laundry pods, HE compatible. Deep Clean and Care formula removes tough stains while helping maintain the quality of your fabrics. Single-dose convenience, pre-measured laundry packs eliminate messy pouring and guesswork. Powerful stain removal effectively tackles dirt, grease, food, mud, and everyday stains. Protects fabric colors, helps keep colors vibrant and clothes looking newer for longer. Number 4, Persil Free and Sensitive Liquid Laundry Detergent, 110 loads, 82.5 fluid ounces, unscented and dye-free, hypoallergenic, HE compatible. Deep Clean and Fabric Care powerful cleaning formula helps remove tough stains while caring for fabrics, unscented and dye-free, free from added fragrances and dyes for a gentle laundry experience. Hypoallergenic formula designed for people with sensitive skin and everyday household use. Ultra concentrated formula delivers Number 3, Gain Flings 4-in-1 Laundry Detergent Pods, original scent, odor defense plus color guard, 112 count liquid laundry packs. 4-in-1 cleaning formula, combines powerful detergent, stain fighting action, odor defense, and color protection in one convenient pod. Odor defense technology helps eliminate tough odors and keeps clothes smelling fresh. Color guard protection helps maintain the vibrancy of colored fabrics wash after wash. Original Gain scent delivers the signature long-lasting fresh fragrance. Gain is known for pre-measured laundry pods, no measuring or messy spills. Simply toss a pod into the washer. 112 count value pack, large supply for. Number 2, Arm & Hammer Powerfully Clean Liquid Laundry Detergent, Clean Burst Scent, 205 loads, 205 fl ounce powerfully clean formula, effectively removes everyday dirt, stains, and odors for a deep clean. Clean Burst Scent leaves clothes smelling fresh with a long-lasting, clean fragrance. 205 loads per bottle, large capacity detergent, provides excellent value for busy households. 205 fl as bottle, ideal for families and frequent laundry needs. Works in standard and HE washers, compatible with both standard and high-efficiency washing machines. Effective in cold and warm water, delivers reliable cleaning performance across different wash temperatures. Easy pour liquid formula, convenient to measure and use for every load. Helps fight tough stains, designed to tackle common household stains while protecting fabrics. Trusted Arm & Hammer quality combines. Number 1 Tide Odor Defense Plus Oxy Laundry Detergent Packs. Original scent, 45 count, advanced odor and stain remover, advanced odor defense formula. Helps eliminate tough odors and leaves clothes smelling fresh. Oxy stain fighting power effectively tackles stubborn stains for a deep, thorough clean. 3 in 1 laundry packs combines detergent, odor defense, and Oxy stain remover in 1 convenient pod. Original fresh scent leaves laundry with Tide's clean and refreshing original fragrance. Pre-measured packs. No measuring or spills. Simply toss a pack into the washing machine. Works in all washing machines, compatible with both standard and high-efficiency washers. 45 count value pack provides enough detergent for up to 45 regular loads. Effective in hot or cold water, delivers reliable cleaning performance.